Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper with Casper Crypto, back here with another video today. And in today's video, we've got some huge Dogecoin news that just came out, and this stuff looks like it could be taking Dogecoin to the moon very soon. So before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton, and let's get into it. So taking a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin today is down about 1.2%. That's nothing compared to the absolute rally that we had the last few days. So if we take a look at the 7-day chart, we went from about 20 cents per Dogecoin up to about 20, I think it was like 28 cents per Dogecoin at a certain point in time. And this all happened within the span of like 1 to 2 days. So we had a crazy rally where we went up over 35% in that one day. And since then, we just started to level off. We didn't have a major spike up and spike back down, which is good to see. That's pretty bullish that we've been able to consolidate around this level, which means that's probably where we're going to be staying at for a little bit of time. And oftentimes when there's a big move and some consolidation, this could signal that we could have another move pretty soon, because that's usually how it goes. I'm not saying it will, not saying it won't, but that's something I would be taking a look at, especially if Bitcoin continues to lead the market in the upwards direction. We could definitely see another leg up for Dogecoin, but that's just something we'll have to see. And I just want to preface this video, of course, really quickly saying this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own due diligence and do your own research. And of course, make sure to smash that like button, and let's get back into it. All right, so we've seen that the price of Dogecoin has shot up crazily the last few days, but let's take a look at the news and see what's really going on with Dogecoin and how that could be affecting it in the near future. So if we take a look, Elon Musk here is saying that soon you may be able to buy space ads with Dogecoin. Elon Musk is just a crazy guy. I gotta tell you, he's coming up with so many ideas. He could literally build a rocket in his head probably in the span of like 2 minutes. But yeah, this guy right here, he loves Dogecoin as well, and that's great for us because we got someone with an insane amount of influence over millions, tens of millions, even probably hundreds of millions of people, and he's continuing to push Dogecoin and saying how it's a great currency, and it could be later potentially become a global currency similar to the US dollar. So basically what we've got going on from SpaceX here, which is owned by Elon Musk. So SpaceX is teaming up with Geometric Energy Corporation to launch digital billboard in orbit. I'm not sure how this is going to look like. We're definitely going to have to see some more news on this. But space is quickly becoming a 21st century tourist trap. Case in point, SpaceX is teaming up with Geometric Energy Corporation, a Canadian research and development firm, to launch what's essentially a souped-up digital billboard into orbit. So I have no idea how this is going to look like. We're definitely going to have to see some pictures once this comes out. But this could be some pretty groundbreaking stuff. We could be seeing ads out in space. That's pretty weird, right? But basically what they're trying to say is once they do launch these billboards, they're going to allow people to buy these billboard ads with Dogecoin. So, I mean, if Elon Musk owns SpaceX, right? He's allowing people to buy billboard ads in space with Dogecoin. Does that not signal, hey, he might be thinking about, maybe it's not going to happen right now, but he's at least thinking about adding Dogecoin as a form of payment for Teslas. That I think that's a possibility. That could be a possibility. If Elon Musk is already allowing SpaceX to accept payments in Dogecoin, then why not do the same thing in Tesla if he loves Dogecoin so much? So, hey, potential maybe thing that could happen, which could push the price of Dogecoin up a massive amount. But hey, I'm not getting too ahead of myself. Let's just stick with what we got right now. So let's see another thing, another piece of news that we got. We got a Oscar Mayer hot dog wiener pack sold for $15,000. I think it was on eBay. And the winner also gets a cash value of 20,000 Dogecoin. So someone made this Dogecoin Oscar Mayer hot dog pack, and they sold it. They auctioned it off, and they sold it for $15,000 on eBay right here. So someone relished a single pack of Dogecoin themed hot dogs enough to buy it on eBay for $15,000. So basically, what actually happened is Oscar Mayer unit of American food giant Kraft Heinz initially began the auction on Wednesday at an opening bid of 99 cents, and the winner will receive the world's only package of hot dog wieners and a cash equivalent of 20,000 Dogecoin. So you got Oscar Mayer here supporting Dogecoin, which is also a major firm in the United States, a food company in the United States. So in what will likely be a surprise to no one, this by far tops the highest price ever paid for a pack of hot dogs. The Guinness Book of World Records puts the previous record at $169, so we absolutely blew past that. And there were 76 bids and 75 other offers that didn't cut the mustard, as they said. But yeah, basically, the proceeds of the auction will go to Feeding America, hunger relief organization that operates 200 food banks, which is good to see that they're giving the money away to charity and the company is not just trying to suck it all up. And hey, it's just great to see these massive companies starting to support Dogecoin, like Oscar Mayer. And Oscar Mayer is not the first company to capitalize on Dogecoin's popularity. Earlier in the year, smoked meat purveyor Slim Jim started a Dogecoin-themed marketing campaign that sent Dogecoin prices to new all-time highs. I did not know about this, so must not been too relevant. But hey, this is some major stuff. Like, a lot of food corporations are using Dogecoin as a way of marketing and also getting more sales on their products. And along with that, what happens is that they push Dogecoin, the idea of Dogecoin, to people that usually would not know what Dogecoin is. Like, if you see a 76-year-old guy in the store and he's wanting to buy some hot dogs, and he sees Dogecoin on it, he's gonna be like, "What the hell is Dogecoin?" Right? He's gonna look it up and he's gonna probably check it out. Maybe he's gonna buy it, maybe not. Maybe if he's that, maybe he won't. Maybe he will. Whatever. The main point is it's bringing a lot of awareness to Dogecoin, which is good, and we want to see that. And the last thing I want to show you guys about news-wise was this massive push that we had in Dogecoin and Shiba prices, because they were lagging behind pretty much for the last few weeks, where Bitcoin was shooting up in price while Dogecoin was just chilling down here, right? Let's pull up the price of Dogecoin. Yeah, so it was just chilling down here, not really moving a lot, and it just shot up and started to go in the same direction as the whole market. I don't know what was going on. I think it was just overlooked, and once people were like, "Hey, wait, what about Dogecoin? Yeah, let's invest in Dogecoin," and it brought the prices back up to around the same prices that the rest of the market has been going to, in one swift major movement, which pushed the prices up a lot. So if you're able to capitalize that, hats off to you, congrats. But yeah, basically that's what we got going on with Dogecoin. But I just want to mention with these news, the growing optimism has also transferred into bounce in dog-themed meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which have both seen their prices rise over 55% in the last 3 weeks, which is more, I'm pretty sure, about the same or more than the market. However, the market has been doing this over a longer span of time, and Dogecoin just hopped in and is like, you know what, let's go up 40% today, and that's exactly what happened. Yeah, so basically, we got Dogecoin and Shiba Inu going up, but that's basically where it ends at. I'm not going to talk about this forever because you guys can see the prices yourself, right? But let's talk about the little bit of technical analysis, taking a look at where Dogecoin could be heading in the next few days. So what we've got going on right here is actually a pretty big wedge pattern forming. So yeah, if we take a look, we zoom in, we can see that we have support that keeps going higher, support that keeps going higher and higher and higher, and a resistance here that keeps going lower and lower, and this is forming a wedge pattern, which is a common used pattern in technical analysis. And basically what happens is that there's a lot of pressure building up in between these two trend lines, and we could probably see maybe a small bounce down to like 24.9 cents, and then here it'll like, start building up, and we'll probably see a massive price move in either direction. Hopefully it's the upward direction, but with a wedge that's going up and down in equal directions. It could either end up going up or down, but if you saw a wedge like this, it could signal something else, or if you saw a wedge in this pattern, it could signal something else as well. But what we've got going on with Dogecoin right now is we got an equal size wedge, so it could mean a price move in either direction. Let's just hope It's in the upward one, in the upward direction. So yeah, that's basically what we've got going on with Dogecoin. Slowly, steadily moving up, but yeah. That's all the news that I got for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.